In writing, we are looking at revision. Now, when we're thinking about revision and when we revise our work, we're going to think of the word arms. Now, not the arms that we have on our body, but this word arms represents something different for each letter. So the A represents to add sentences or words. The R is to remove sentences and words that you don't need. The M is to move a sentence or a word. And the S is to substitute words or sentences for better ones. So you might change some words so it sounds a little bit better in your sentences. Now I want you to repeat with me what I'm saying, what each letter means in arms. So let's do this together. A is to add sentences and words. R is to remove sentences and words that you do not need. M is to move a sentence or word. And S is to substitute words or sentences for better ones. Well done. Now, what we're going to do is the first thing you're doing is you're creating your own resource. You might want to copy this one or you might want to make one of your own. Now, make sure that you have the word arms and we want you to have the heading Revise with Arms. Each letter of arms goes down the side and then you write the sentences to match those letters. Now, we're going to use arms to revise this paragraph over here. Now, this paragraph says, this hot weekend was the best one yet. On Sunday, I played with my sister and then we get ice cream. On Friday, I went to the park and feed the ducks. On Saturday, I stayed home and cooked dinner with my mum. We made dumplings. We needed a lot of ingredients. Now we're going to use our method of revising and using arms to help this paragraph to sound a little bit better. So the first thing we need to look at is add sentences and words. So do you think we could add any sentences here? I'm thinking that we might add a bit of adjectives to this sentence at the start. So I might say, let's see. On the weekend, it was very hot and sunny. This weekend was the best one yet. I might say that and I might take this out. What's the next thing on arms? Remove sentences and words that you do not need. So when I reread my work, I went to the bottom and it said, on Saturday, I stayed home and cooked dinner with my mum. We made dumplings. We needed a lot of ingredients. I don't think we need this sentence here because we've already said that we've made dumplings. I don't think we need to add in, we needed a lot of ingredients. So I'm going to remove that. Then the next thing on our arms is to move a sentence or word. Now, when I reread my work, I could see that it wasn't in order. I went from Sunday to Friday to Saturday, and the order is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm going to change those around. I'm going to add, on Friday, I went to the park and feed the ducks. And I'm going to change that to fed the ducks because that's the correct way to say it. So I'm going to put that here. On Friday, I went to the park and fed the ducks, full stop. Then I'm going to move my Saturday as well because then after Friday is Saturday. And I'm going to put that there. And then I've got my Sunday. Now let's have a look at the next one. Substitute words or sentences for better ones. So I might reread my work again and see if I can add some better words for my sentences. On the weekend, it was very hot and sunny. This weekend was the best one yet. On Friday, I went to the park and fed the ducks. On Saturday, I stayed home and cooked dinner with my mum. We made dumplings. I might add in a word here and say we made delicious. How you spell delicious? Delicious dumplings. On Sunday, I played with my sister and then we got ice cream. I might say got some yummy ice cream. Okay, so let's go back to our arms. I have added in sentences and words. So I added in this one here, and I also added in some words like yummy ice cream. I removed sentences that we didn't need. Yep. I moved a sentence or word, so we made sure that my sentences were in order from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then I substituted words and sentences for better ones. So that's how we revise our work. When we revise, we look over the words arms, and each letter represents a different thing. So what your task is today is to create a resource like this. You might want to do the exact same one, but you're making your own one for a resource at home, which means it's something that you're going to keep with you so you can use it while you're doing your writing from now on. After that, you're going to go down onto Weebly and see that there's a piece of work that needs to be revised. So you're going to write all that revision work down and you're going to read over it and make your corrections using arms. Okay? We can't wait to see your work and have fun.